This video tutorial explains how to control a Canon R5 camera via wired connection using CINENORM series monitors. This guide applies to BM5 BM5 for WR, and BM7 to DS monitor models. Before starting, prepare a mini USB 10-pin 2 Type-C control cable. Connect one end of the cable to the camera's Type-C port and the other end to the monitor's remote port. Tap the monitor screen to open the menu. Click External Device Connection. Select Wired Camera Control Connection and click Connect. When the monitor recognizes the camera and displays the control menu, the connection is successful. Click Rec to start or stop recording. Click Focus to activate camera focusing. Click Iris to adjust the aperture value. Click Shutter to modify the shutter speed. Click ISO to adjust the camera's sensitivity. Click FOCI. In MFS mode, use buttons to manually adjust focus. In AF mode, enable touch to focus on the monitor screen. Click WB to switch white balance presets. When white balance is set to color temperature, click CT to fine-tune color temperature. Click recording mode to switch camera recording modes. This concludes the tutorial for wired control of the Canon R5 camera using CINENORM series monitors.